Hi friend, please subscribe my channel. Motorola Moto Z2 Play XT1710-10 Dual SIM 4G LTE, 4GB/64GB, GSM Factory Unlocked International Version, a Lunar Grey. Chipset 64-bit, Qualcomm Snapdragon 626 MSM8953 Pro, 14nm, CPU processor, 2.2 GHz Octa-Core ARM Cortex-A53. Display type Super AMOLED, screen size 5.5 inches, SIM card, 2 slots dual SIM nano-SIM. 2G network GSM 850/900/1800/1900. 3G network UMTS 850/900/2100. 4G network LTE Cat6 850/900/1800/2100. Bands 1358, TD-LTE 2300, bands 40, data network, GPRS, Edge, UMTS, HSDPA, HSUPA, HSPA+, TD-LTE, LTE, LTE-A.